Welcome to the channel. My name is Steph, and in today's video I'm going to share 5 things that help me overcome gym anxiety as an overweight woman in my 30s. Okay, so if you have gym anxiety and the thought of going to the gym makes you extremely nervous, you are not alone. I have been there. I feel it. You feel like everyone is watching you, they're staring at you, you feel out of place, and you wonder if you're being judged for being overweight. But I've actually figured out a few things that help me feel less anxious and more confident. It got me into the gym, it helped me stay in the gym, and I'm going to share these things because it really made a difference for me, and it might help you too. Number 1, I go at quiet times. So for me, the gym at peak hours is a hard no. There's too many people, there's too much noise, there's not much machinery to use because it's all taken up. So I started going on off-peak hours, so early morning, late evening, and it completely changed my gym experience. I had more choice of gym equipment, there was more space, and there was less worry about anyone watching you to see if you're doing the exercise right or wrong. I think most people are not looking, but when you're self-conscious, you're a beginner, you do feel like, oh, are people watching me? Am I doing it wrong? So yeah, going off peak does help with that. Number 2, I wear the same outfit I'm comfortable in. So you've probably seen in my past videos, I wear the same outfit to the gym every time. I've stopped stressing about what I wear. I found one outfit that makes me feel comfortable, my thick black leggings, my baggy black top, and I just repeat it. The same leggings, same top, no pressure. I just buy a few tops, a few leggings. I've got multiple versions, so I don't have to worry about washing, and I don't have to think. And I find when you have a gym outfit, you feel more comfortable in, you feel less self-conscious and worrying about yourself, and you put more focus into your actual workout. Number 3, I wear a cap because it makes me feel more hidden. I am a cap person, I always have been. I've got so many caps in my room, but wearing this to the gym, I feel like I've got a bubble of privacy and I'm less visible. And I know people won't really be looking at me, but in my head, it's just a little mind trick. I feel when I've got my cap on, I can't really see too much around me, and I just feel like, yeah, I'm a bit more hidden. And if it works for me and gets me in the gym, it works. Number 4, I remind myself everyone is focused on themselves. The truth is, no one is actually watching you. Everyone is fighting their own battles, their form, their reps, worrying about their playlist, their own life, and telling myself that every time I walk into the gym takes pressure off immediately. So I know I said like I wear my hat because I feel like I'm in my own bubble, but on top of that, I also tell myself no one is watching me in the gym. They are literally self-centered, not in a bad way. They're just focused on themselves like most people are. They're worrying about like their music, what they're having for dinner. They're probably thinking about a bad day they've had or a good day. Like they've probably got so much going on. They're probably not paying attention to you, but it's really, when we're anxious, it's really amplified in our own heads that everyone is watching you, but really they're not. And if you tell yourself they're not watching you, if you tell yourself they're probably just so focused on themselves and I'm going to focus on myself, that really does help. And number 5, I remember why I'm there. I remember why I'm at the gym. Whenever the anxiety creeps back in, I literally pause and remind myself, I am here in the gym for me. They're my goals, it's my body, it's my health. I don't need anyone else's approval. Everyone else is in that gym making their life better, putting themselves first. Why am I going to sabotage myself any longer, worrying what I think strangers might be thinking of me? I also deserve to be there improving myself, and why do I care what they think anyway? I don't know them, and if they think or say anything bad to me, it says more about them than it does me. So, yeah, just remind yourself why you're there. For so many years, I couldn't go to the gym because I had this thing in my head, like I have to lose weight first and then go to the gym. I have to lose weight before I go to the gym. It doesn't make sense. No, you don't. You have to get in that gym, and that's when you're going to lose weight. That's when you're going to self-improve. That's when you're going to take care of yourself. So if you had the mindset like I have, you have to lose weight before you go to the gym. No, you don't. No one else cares. They're in there making themselves feel better, and you deserve that too. I deserve that too. So that would be number 5. So if gym anxiety is holding you back, you're not alone. These are some small things that help me show up consistently, even when I felt scared. If I have missed anything, if you have some other tips, feel free to share below, comment below. If you have found this video helpful, feel free to like and subscribe. And also, when you are in the gym, I bet there's a lot of people in there that feel exactly the same as you. They might not look like it, they might be focused with their headphones in, but I bet a lot of people feel exactly like you're feeling. You don't know what's going on in someone else's head as well. You don't know people's struggles and stuff like this. So there could be a lot of other people in the same boat. They just don't show it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.